In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer, not financial advice. We are not liable for any personal financial decisions. Thank you. Just kidding. I was here. I was trying to make you guys do a fake out. Make you wonder. And welcome in, guys, to another episode of Blockchain Brew Show. Saturday special. We never know what time I'm going to be here. It's a good day, though, man. We got my wife's ring resized. We took care of our dogs, gave them baths. I worked a lot of hours this week, guys. So we went to IHOP for breakfast and had a bunch of good time. And, we're just hanging out, doing chore stuff, I guess. We went and got coffee at Big Fred Java. I don't know if you guys have that or not, but they have the best coffee. Before we get started, I just brought in one of my another Deschutes. Yeah, Deschutes. We're running about 6.4%. If I get my fingernail under here. Looking at my kids. Let's try to sneak into the stream. All right, load it up to the banner. Go on the screen. Oh, guys, I forgot real fast. If you're new here and you like what you see, smash that golden like button, but not down button up, because that's what we like on the show. Smash it like that. I almost forgot that part. It's a subscribe bell. You ring a ding ding. Like that. You'll find us over there on YouTube. And over there on Kick and Rumble. We just naturally grow. We don't have to ask. It's the most beautiful thing to see. And guys, I don't know if you noticed or not, we gained another 20 subscribers over there on Rumble. We're catching up to YouTube like quick. That was just awesome, man. We blew up yesterday. We went from like 30 to 130, and then today we're at 150. I just appreciate everybody over there who's loving us, and thank you so much. And let's get it, man. Get it. All right, man. Asturd, this has been on fire, dude. Hyper liquid competitor launched like not even like a week ago. Launched like the 18th, 2 days ago. That 50 cents, that's up $1. 150% gains. Jeez Louise. That's a 3x, 300% gains in 2 days. I don't know, man. It's pretty up, pretty high. It's up pretty high. Then we're in the top 100. Anything moving? Cake's been moving because BNB's ripping. New all-time highs. It broke $1,000. Let's freaking go, BNB. Dang. Didn't I just say like BNB was going to rip like a week or two ago? I still don't know what IP is. I know I've read over a few times story. It's pretty new coin. It's up 10% for the day. Okay, we got Cake because Cake's been ripping. It's been going. It's at $3. Meme core. Still don't really know what it is. I'm just staying away from things like this that just risky. Oh, do you guys see the fire department? They're really ripping by my house right now. Lord keep them safe wherever they're going to. Flares up a little bit. We're going to jump into the charts. Some fun. Killing it. Come over here. I don't think we have any news today. We might jump in to see if we find anything. We got Robert. Welcome in, Mr. Robert. We got DCA and Prey. Welcome in. Yo. Duality. Duality usually are first. You got beaten today by DCA and Robert. What's up, Duality? I was keeping you in your prayers today, and that poor child who lost their lives last week. Amelia, thank you for coming in. Let's see what we got going on, man. We're in BTC. 1 hour, it's the weekend volatility. It's just crazy stuff going on. I'm in a trade. I don't know if I should close, if I should open it. I'm in a long. It's just, I'm like break even, and it hasn't moved. I'm trying to decide if I'm more bearish or bullish. Right now, that's looking bearish, dude. Broke below the 21 on the 1 hour. Dang it, man. No, that's affecting my trade. Yeah. Oof. What, those little bit of resistance. Come on, man. We could do good. Stokes RSI strength coming down. Momentum is coming down. I wanted that to flip, but it didn't flip. Money flow has been leaving. VWAP is angling down. 4 hour in Bitcoin. We have a red dot to the downside. No, I want Bitcoin to go up. Money flow has been coming out of Bitcoin. VWAP. 6 hours looking bad. 12 hour didn't stay. We're screaming bad. This is money flow is okay. Momentum is still coming down. Stokes RSI low, trading even. Strength trading even. VWAP's trying to roll over on stuff. Just come on, baby. I don't want to lose my trade, man. Daily says more momentum to the downside. Oh, man, I want this inverted shoulder, head and shoulder to play out. Maybe we'll make a cup and handle instead. Come down to 114-ish area. That's a 21 bounce off it. I'm not closing my trade out. No, not doing it. 3 day. What we got closing today? We got the daily close coming in today in about 8 minutes. 2 day doesn't close today. Does the 3 day close today? 3 day doesn't close today. 3 day closes tomorrow. 5 day closes Monday. 8 day closes tomorrow. Weekly obviously is tomorrow. We have a green dot. We want to stay above. What do we want to stay above? We're at 115.758. We're at. We need a little bit of love, man. We want to go higher. We got the. Oh, we don't have the 2 week close today and monthly. Okay, fine, whatever. I'm gonna jump over to Ethereum. Quick Ethereum overview. BTC looks bearish, but other stuff looks good. I don't know, man. I think everything looks kind of bearish, to be honest with you. BTC doesn't look crazy bearish. It does look bearish, but to what point? I'll go over and try to figure it out. It's in this weird. We're at this weird resistance level. I'm like, can we hold this area, or we're gonna come back, down to the next level? But the money flow has been coming in, which is a good thing to see on Market Cipher. We have a red dot right now on the 1 hour, -510. But we've been doing the DBSI has been all over the place, like -3, 15, 15, 4. I'm like, it's been giving mixed signals. So I'm just kind of staying away. We did get the rounded bottom. I'm like, okay, that's not bad. I've been in my trade. I put my trade in long, like, I don't know. It could have been this candle or one of these candles. Well, it probably was like, maybe it was over here. Maybe I put it in right here on a coin. And these candles, sideways candles, were killing me on the one. I was like, gosh, move, theme, get above something. We got the round bottom, the 21. I'm like, I think maybe I got the bottom. Yeah, I'm hoping for. We've been bouncing off. I really don't want to see it go bearish. 4 hour, we have a doji candle. Still possibility. The VWAP saying no. The VWAP saying no, we're not going to go up. This is going to be a false move. The green dot saying we still have it going for us. 12 hour. Well, that was about a flip. You know, we haven't got the green dot yet, but we could get a trigger wave going for us. DBSI showing more strength. I mean, you guys probably see what I'm seeing is the flag out pattern. Question is when do we break out? Oh, man. Fidgety, man. I haven't had too much caffeine today. Don't break the bilateral triangle. No, we want to stay in that. Daily shows momentum to the downside. Well, maybe we could wick though and just not break the 21. We bounce off it. I mean, that's not a bad thing. It's still coming up. 2-day looks bearish. 3-day, 2 doji candles. It's trying to decide what it wants to do. It's probably leaning more bearish. It's leaning more bearish. Yes. Ay. Not great, man. Not freaking great. What's the dominance doing? Has Bitcoin dominance been dropping? What's total 3 and total 2 doing too? Bearish on the dominance, at least on the 1 hour. Let's go to the larger time frame. It says it could go down on the 12 hour. It pumped up a little bit. Green dot, money flow coming back into Bitcoin strength stokes. It actually looks okay. Looks like it could pump on the daily. Same with the 2-day. Much total at? Money flow's been doing pretty good with the overall total market cap, though. It has been pumping. Daily does look like it wants to maybe give some money back, touch the 21, give back $4 billion bucks. 12 hour, we're touching the 21. Walter's in 21 right now. How much time do we till we close? 3 minutes. Ugh. You guys ready, man? You guys ready for the daily close? I'm thinking about going to get a new mic here pretty soon, guys. This mic's been good for doable, but it's time to, I think, upgrade. Muffet, did you see that we exploded a little bit on Rumble? We went from 30 followers on Rumble, and then yesterday I loaded up and we went to 130, and then today we're at 155. So we've been blowing up. It's pretty dope, bro. Pretty freaking dope. New mic for sure. I know. I was thinking about getting the same one that Trent has, or maybe the next model. New mic for sure. I know. I was like, I got this when I first started. I thought it'd be a lot better. Rumble is a platform is blowing up. About time. Yeah, dude. For reals. What's crazy is though I was like looking at our views, and we don't have the craziest views. So I'm trying to figure out we didn't buy any pots. So I'm like, why are we blowing up? I don't know. I'm not questioning it. I'm just taking it. But I love the Rumble people. And we'll always be here for you guys. Be consistent. So I gotta get better at posting the description over there on Rumble. Like we have defaulted on YouTube, but you can't default on Rumble. Well, we got a minute and a half till we close. Is there any like interesting news articles that happened? It just came out 6 minutes ago. Bitcoin mining hits a new all-time high. Its difficulty hits a new all-time high. Oh, no. Let's see. Coinbase CEO sets sights on replacing banks with crypto super app. I think everybody's been trying to do that. Even people over there on X are trying to replace the crypto super app. The bond markets are looking wild. I actually haven't taken a look at the bond markets. We're building a better set of financial services so Coinbase can be a primary financial account. I know when they were talking about the Stablecoin Act, they were like, stablecoin issuers can't give yields. And then Coinbase was like, well, actually, Circle is not part of Coinbase. We're partners now. We can actually give yields. He's like, guys, could go eat a dick, Banks. And the Banks like, how did we let that loophole get by? If it wasn't that one, it would have been another one, right? Am I right? We got 30 cents left till we get our close. Let's clean this data up, spread it out. I'm actually really interested in this one because if we trade sideways to another red candle, and that gives us time for the 21 to actually catch up to us, which is okay. I can work with that. All right, how much time we got left? It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Da 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 da. I'm interested in what the DBSI does. We're at 17 now. For the Bears. Come on, close already, dang it. Why is the data not loading? Do I have to hit refresh? There we go. Okay, sweet. We went to an 18. You know, 114 is on the chopping block, man. 21 is catching up to the 50, though. I mean, that's a good sign. We want to see that catch up. The VWAP actually is not screaming more downwards action. It's more like trending sideways. And the momentum wave actually is trending down a little bit. What happened on Ethereum? We'll jump over on Ethereum daily. Same thing with Ethereum. The VWAP's not screaming down. We're up on the bottom of this triangle. Missed a bilateral triangle. I mean, that was a harder wick down. We wicked down to 441. Then we wicked down to 458. And now we're over here. So yeah, this might hold. This might hold. When we break out of these triangles, we usually come down and we shoot up, and we come down and we shoot up. So, you know, we come down and we break up. Well, I still have some hope for this. Money flow was when we shot up, we peaked, we red dotted, we came down, green dotted, shot up, red dotted, a couple of red dots, peaking, come down, hit a trigger wave, maybe Tuesday, trade sideways till Tuesday. Everything's red, dude. Everything is red. I'm kind of curious about did LCX continue its rapid rip up? No, it just ripped up a little bit and then gave it all back. Wow, that's mean. I was thinking about putting a short in too. I was like, I don't know why it's ripping up, but it is ripping up. Boom, ripped up. He gave it all back. Holy smokes. Avocado is green and happy. Yeah, but isn't avocado such a minuscule market cap? It's so tiny. Let's see if we can find everything. Looks okay on the 1 hour. I mean, we got a green dot trigger wave. Do we have green dot trigger wave? I gotta look at something. ICP does not have a green dot trigger wave. Say does not have a green dot trigger wave. Pump? Nope. The Beck looked pretty good. The Beck's been pumping. Is it though? Is it, Dad? I bet you if I go to their Twitter, they're probably posting actively. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe go visit ICP's Twitter. Come on, say. Sweet. Yep. No. Maybe I should type in the whole project name, huh? What is ICP's actual full name? Internet. Is it computer processor? What's going on, Ted? What the hell is ICP's actual name? Dang it! What the hell is ICP's full name? Internet. I've been calling it ICP for so long. Where's ICP swap? ICP squad. Internet computer. Is that just all it is? Is internet computer? Biggest daily winner for me is KDA. Oh, KTA. I honestly don't I don't know how to find it. That's kind of a problem. This would make me think it's it, but it doesn't have a check mark. Oh, we're gonna go jump over and look at KDA then. I can't find it on Twitter. KTA. Do I have KTA added on the side? What's up, Bulldog Lifts? I'm still up 85% AVAX, just waiting for a SpearX and SwiftCoin. Nice, man. Were you the one in here we were talking about a few weeks ago? We're talking about AVAX to $33 per coin. Swift shit the bed. SpearX. I have SpearX in here. I wanted to look up KTA, and we'll do SpearX. VDA. Oh yeah, we do have this in here too. I'm gonna locate it. Did I just locate it or did I unlocate it? What did I just do? Oh, I think I removed it. Whoops. Right. Whoa, shnikes. Dude, that is savage, bro. What time move was that? 82 cents? Oh my gosh, dude. That's a solid freaking move. Holy smokes. I can't really tell you if the moves are done because it's so new. Money flow, green dot, good. You know, money flow's been coming in. View up so high, strength shooting up. You, man. Good for you, bro. We're at the first level of resistance over here and touching the second level. We just closed. Dang, dude. Did you take any profits, Ted? Oh, not Ted. Yeah, Ted. Yeah. Did you take any profits, Ted? Let's take a look at SpearX. Holy smokes. KDA is ripping. SpearX. So SpearX not looking as good. You going to? You're just gonna let it ride. Whatever, it looks trading sideways to consolidation. 4 hours show Stokes RSI strength, momentum still coming down. It really wants to flip. VWAP kind of started to come up. You have a high, you have a lower high, you have a low, lower low, lower low. I don't see any bullish divergence yet. Still showing the next couple candles will be red. Stokes or RSI strength are all ready to go. VWAP's flight coming up. Maybe we'll roll over right here. It is a crappy weekend though to be trading. I'm down to my trades. Nope, you're gonna let it ride. I'm chasing big multiples. Not bad, man. I mean, Spirax, I'm not I don't know if this is a good time to buy or sell. Kind of like the rest of the market. Oh, there's another pop of something coming behind me. You guys hear that one? We're gonna have this little bit of level. If we break below it, we'll probably come down to 69. We're getting flirtatious of alt season. Yeah, they're playing games what they're doing with alt season. Things are pumping though, man. Like, it's hard to say. I mean, we just looked at KDA. I mean, it's hard to say that things aren't pumping. I mean, look at Asterd. It's up 82% for the day. BNB Cake's up 11%. BNB hit a new all-time high. There's your KDA, AVNT, APX. Even the stupid Trust Wallet token that does nothing is up. Sun's up 34%. BMX. This looks familiar. A bit more. Oh, that's what looks familiar. Holy frick. It just ripped out of nowhere. I bet you anything did a token burn. STBL. It's only new to like today. I don't know about that. That looks iffy. Lista. Oh, this one's been out for a year. That does look like they flipped it up. I don't even know what Lista is. Rex, Revokes. Came out in December of last year. Hey, why this looks familiar? Evo. Why do I remember this? Wow. Maybe that's finally starting to wake up, whatever this is. I'm chasing big multiples. That's a base app. Keeps recommending me stuff on the next day. It's always ripping up. What's base app keeps recommending you? What is? Kita? I mean, some things are ripping. I just don't know. Orderly Network. Like, I don't know any of these tokens are. Just being honest with you. Okay, we're getting way too far away, man, from reality. Way too far away from reality. And I don't know enough about Asterd to want to jump into it. Maybe it catches up to everything else. I don't know. Bonker, Kata, that Syndicate, Asterd. I saw something. I think Asterd partnered up with Bonk, and that was my number one meme for a choice. And I was talked out of it into Turbo. Now I'm like, dang, I wish I had Bonk over Turbo. Turbo broke out of that triangle. We haven't been able to catch up to it. We haven't been able to fight. We've been stuck fighting the stupid 21. The 4 hours, the 1 hour, everything's kind of like a meh. We need another trigger wave coming up. We do need another trigger wave. If we can get a trigger wave coming, we can have. No, never mind. I thought we had divergence, but we don't have divergence. Ugh. Man, no divergence. Stuck in a stupid triangle. What's Trump point at? Is that a low with the red dot? I'm down 20% Turbo, dude. I'm pretty. I think I'm about even. No, maybe I'm up. It's hard to tell. I DCA'd a couple different times. There was a KOL shill, man. Those people freaking sold me this coin, which I actually think it's a good coin. I do, but I think Bonk is better. I've been saying that for a long time. Where's Bonk at? I mean, Bonk's the Solana meme, dude. It's of the cycle. I mean, I've said it forever. I mean, Bonk on the weekly looks a lot better. We got a green dot. Do we have a green dot on Turbo? Nope, not yet. Bonk. Strength coming in. Stokes RSI look good. Got the green dot on the weekly, daily, 2-day, 3-day. Well, you know what? If the weekly is looking good, I'm trying to figure out when this thing is going to rip. Hey, I just realized there's a previous triangle we drew back here. We drew it. It literally stayed to the freaking tip, man. Oh, the freaking tip, and then ripped up. Should have ripped up more. Well, the tip on the 2-day too. You know what I think is going to happen? I think we'll probably close just below it, and then we're going to reverse out of this. The 12-hour, we're not quite out of that tip yet. Playing games. Stat. Dude, I don't even remember drawing this triangle. Holy frick. That was a good rip, though. Guys, if you're new and you're watching, please smash that like, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate each and every single one of you for a Saturday special. And can we find anything that looks good in the markets? Where's AVAX at? AVAX has a lot of money in it right now. You gonna hold Turbo, Ted, the whole time? Or you gonna get and then getting rid of it at some point? Excuse me. I don't know if I'll get rid of it. I'm pretty convinced now just to keep holding, but I might DCA out and put into something else. Like I really like that SHX coin. You also want to get some bonk, but I also need. Depends what's pumped at that point too. AVAX breaking below the 21 right now. Could be coming down hard. We could probably touch bases 50% of the high, 50%. It's like 32-ish bucks. Hit $35 AVAX. Jeez. Yeah, AVAX will probably keep coming down like everything else, but at least it's in a better spot than everything else. Desync. A lot of these coins that the KOL gave me on gutters. Frick. Dang KOLs. Got me, man. They're like, oh, we bought it when it was like a 50x, dude. BS. Dude, the only reason why they got 50x on this is because they got some sort of seed round fate thing. They bought it at like probably smaller than this. They probably bought it at like 2 cents, and then it runs up to 46 cents. So they probably could have even bought it at 1 cent. Well, we got a 50x off of you, freaking liars. You'll dump everything when the market top signal starts flashing, right? Oh. Alex Becker, man, he said he will dump it. That stuff on your head. I'm gonna come over to X. Let's see if Destra's still alive. I don't even watch freaking Alex Becker building a decentralized world. Destra NPC 2.0 desync redefining how to build. That's today. How to build and control AI agents. Today we're sharing the first look at the new UI UX mockups. It went into the future of AI agents creations. We're building an NPC framework from the what? Trading bot, alpha, agent templates, dashboard. This is still around. 6-month posts. How big are they? Becca did show me Pangu at 44 cents. That was a major win. Yeah, that's true. He did show Pangu. But he also probably made a shizload on Pangu, too. They have 48,000 followers. That's not bad. It's not bad. Well, we'll see. I hope it stays alive. At least they're still posting things. I mean, we were looking at Loop Ring. Loop Ring looked pretty bad. What's Pangu at? Pangu's been doing really good. I have Destiny. It's been a slow bleed for months, dude. For reals, bro. For freaking reals. Dude, Pangu's in a cup and handle pattern like a mofo, bro. I mean, to me, it's just Pangu at double 1x. 1 second, guys. The wife is here. I'm back. Well, Pangu does look good on the weekly. You know the problem is right now, dude? There's no signals flashing at me out of anywhere that's saying that we're moving up. Like, I feel like we're in the bull run, right? So we should be moving. But it's like, I don't know, man. The 2-day and 3-day looked great. 2-day, we sit back here, dude. We have the green dot. We're like, well, we're gonna rip the next couple of days, and yeah, we did okay. But but if you look right here, it started curving over. It's like, why? We're not supposed to be slowing down. We're supposed to have momentum. Then we shoot up. You're like, okay, sweet, it's back on. And then we're having some sort of weird curvature on the chart, and that's not what I'm a fan of. Yeah, it probably does have a 10x left in it. We haven't even got to the crazy part, and it has been one of the #1 winners so far. You know, that's getting close to 100x I'm looking for. Heck yeah, it is. Yeah, you got it at a good time. You know what's interesting is Sui. I also want to check out Troll too. Sui. It was sweet, and I get a lot of people saying that's probably only going to hit like a $12 market cap. I'm like, I don't think so, man. Like, if you saw what Dot did and Luna, and it was Luna, Dot, Sol, and I think there's one other one. Now we come over to Sweet. It's at 13 billion market cap. But freaking Cardano went to 100 billion market cap last bull run. I can't see why this doesn't hit 100 billion. That's dang near 10x. I think $50 is on the table for Sweet. Call me crazy. I do, man. I think they're going. What's Crow at? Crow. That group has Sweet predictions of $35. Oh, that you're in? Yeah, why not? That's a 10x, man. That's a 10x. I don't know. I've seen like a lot of other YouTubers though, like, oh, like $12, $13. Like, dude, I don't think so. I think it might be a good, maybe a first level sell, like maybe 10% my bag. If it's like $13 and it's like January, I'm like, okay, maybe I should probably get out. Momentum's coming down. We have 11. I'm at 22,899. Man, we're so close to that 20 cent level mark I've been telling everybody about. I did think that we bottomed right there, and I probably would have. I would have, if I had money, I would have bought more. Still look like it could come down more. Where's XLM at? And I sold my Crow at 26 cents, and I bought XLM I think at 36 cents. I bought it down here because I was looking at the triangle. Like, oh, this is the bottom of the triangle on the 12-hour. I bought it right here, and then it's like, ooh. I was like, oh, really? I was like, really? It dumped a little bit more. Of course it did. You can never buy the bottom. Now we're kind of riding up. I'm like, yeah, I'm up in some gains. And then we're like, oh, I'm down. I'm just about down. Oh, I'm up. Now I'm down. We broke out. We should have kept going. We didn't. Stupid bilateral triangles everywhere. They got still predicted $4.09. What's it at right now? That's also a little more than 10x. Yeah. No, I think it's going to go more than that. I think it's going to go more. I think we're in the range of, for Stellar, and this is all hypothetical off the top of my head. But I also believe XRP is going to do numbers. Like, I think we'll see $20 just shy. I like No BS. He's pretty good. I don't agree with a lot of his predictions. I do think that he really wants to help everybody. I do too, but I think No BS is one of the better ones because he really does want to help. He's also a little more on the conservative side too. I have insane shit ton of XLM. Dude, I used to have insane shit ton of XRP. Yeah, I think it's gonna go to what's it at right now? Yeah, it's gonna go to $1, bro. That's like a 3x. That's easy. Yeah, I don't mind his trades either. I think they're pretty good. They're really similar to my own. Though he did call FET to do some crazy numbers, FET AI, and I don't think they will do that. Like, I like Ondo too. I mean, I think I like for the most part, I like everything that he has called. Dude, chicks, man. I've even thought about joining his group back before I started my own. Chicks sometimes spot keep dumping. That's how it is though. It goes up and it comes back down. I think we're in the ballpark price of 15 cents. Maybe 16, probably better. Bet $5.79. I know, but he gave some pretty stupidly, outrageously high numbers. He was talking when they first combined it, dude. You can find it like his video like a year ago when they first combined back over here. It's 64 cents. He said it could even hit like $50. I want to see them complete their project they set out to do. What the hell's going on with FET? Oh, they had that project too, where they combined with Ocean Protocol and the artificial liquid intelligence, I think it is, or something like that. Cardano. How do you spell it? That I always think it's the AI. Fetch AI. Is that it? That's not an I. That's a T. That's the AI daily. That's definitely not it. There it is. It's weird. I wonder why I didn't pull up the first time. You have 260,000 followers. Last posted on September 4th. Oh. Haima Yuma Shika confirms 30 billion buybacks. I don't even know what Haima Shika Yuma is. Already fetch AI. How can you use Prime Agent end to end? When's the new token coming? is from today. AI agents that are reactive, good, goal-driven agents built on open agent framework better. Here's how agents available in agent versus AI. ASI work under the hood. His predictions is $20. His trades are saying 579. Yeah, I know he bought a lot though, so he can afford to get out early, and hit his numbers and be happy. I think that's a lot of the tricks too. Is when people get super big, they can just do conservative. They don't need to do high risk anymore. I mean, that's what I would do. I'm like, yeah, just low risk. I don't know, man. I want to know, is Ocean Protocol still a thing? I'm kind of curious. Because you think they have the pet logo. I'm like, how are they still tweeting? Like, didn't they all combine under one roof? Maybe they just decided that they don't want to do their own tokens. Is Ocean Protocol still around? Like, can we look at the token? Yeah, there it is. Down 60% for the year. Holy smokes. You can only buy on Coinbase and Kraken. It was PAL. PAL was going to combine with them. They made the announcement, hey guys, we're going to do it, and people rejected the thing so hard. They sold so hard off. Oh my gosh, that was part of that one too. That one got me off. Freaking hurt. That one hurt. Caught me off guard, man. Oof. Made me sick to my stomach that day. What the frick is the other one that they combined with? What the actual heck? It's been so long. ASI. AI. I don't even remember what it was called. It's been so long since I looked that up. I don't know. Singularity. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Singularity Net. Oh my goodness. Is that still around? I was going to buy that back in the day. You can't find it on Bubbles. Did they 100% merge? Singular AGIX, for the love of Pete's sake, that was brutal, man. AGIX. Yeah, that has been so long since I thought about that. That's not it. Yeah, I don't even like it. Looking at my chart, it makes my eyes hurt. You can buy it. You can buy it on crypto.com. That's crazy. I actually liked AGIX more than out of all of those motion protocol. AGIX is the one I think I like the most. Wow, dude, it shot up. Holy smokes. That was back when they had made that announcement. It's been down ever since then. Dang near at the freaking first level of support. Holy smokes. Dang, dude. Oh, shoot. I'm about to share tab. Dang, dude. Yeah, but when's it gonna go to one token, Ted? That's my problem with FET. Is that they said like back in March 2024, they were supposed to have it in like October. Then they pushed it off to January. Then they I don't even know where we're at. I think it was actually back here when they announced it. I think it's been 2 years. It's freaking 2 years since that announcement FET made. Data chain. There's a trade in right here. Could be a trade. Yeah, not bad. All right, gents. I'm going to pop off. I got a few more things I got to do tonight. My wife came in and said dinner's ready for the family, so I'm going to go eat with the wife and kids because, hey, man, I've been working a lot of overtime this week. I probably have a few more weeks of it, too. So I got to enjoy those meals if I can and make those occasions. All right, we'll be back tomorrow for the daily close. Thank you, everybody. Oh, shoot. I forgot to. It's fine. I was supposed to do the BitBuy thing. Guys, if you haven't already, sign up for our link in BitBuy. Just kidding. Hold on. I got to do my favorite segment. If you haven't already, guys, check out our link for BitBuy. It helps us out. You know, say no VPN, no KYC, you get 20% on your trading fees. And if you're new, you get all these sweet bonuses. You get $60 bonus for your first 100. $100 bonus for your first 500 you deposit. Deposit 1,000, you get 200. Deposit a big $5,000, you get $1,000 bonus. You take advantage of it. You don't have to put it in Tether. You can put it in Cardano. You can put it in XRP. Get your bonus. Switch it out if you want, or you can leave it all in there and trade. They have coin M futures, what they call. You can trade in XRP and you can be paid in XRP. So there you guys go. We'll catch you on the flippity flop. I'll be back tomorrow for the daily close, weekly close actually tomorrow. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. We'll catch you later. Deuces.